In this video, I'll be showing how to model furniture. So first I just create the box, then I just modify the height. Um, when I'm happy with that, I just quickly move to parameter. So just change it to full. I'm just gonna change the display. Then I just quickly go to modifier tab, edit poly, then click on selection of the edge. And then I just choose point. The points have to be in odd or even number. So I'm gonna do it for the whole cube. Okay, after I am happy with the selection on the cube, I just gonna go click and then click on connect. Okay, after we connecting the point, I just go to the turbo smooth and try and increase the iteration to have extra points and smoother surface on the cube. After that, we're just gonna have to go to right click, extrude, click on extrude, and then we just can increase the height until it look good. So in this time I might try 0.25.